Alright, hello. Today I'm doing a request for a Simpsons fan. He wants me to do a long overview of the Samsung washing machine, the Industry dryer and the hot point in the shed, which I can't get to at the minute. It's under a pile of stuff. So I'll have to wait till the spring months when it's all connected. And plus that is not plugged in anyway. I need to put out all the stench leads for it, but I'm not doing that. Let's get to it. So I might do a review of the Samsung washing machine. Okay, so kick off with the soap draft. Setting me actually. So we have main wash, softener and pre-wash. Just done the lazy way. So we have main wash, softener, pre-wash. Okay, that's good, that's the programming. How many times you been back today? Not so stay for a bit. Anyway, I'm talking to the cat. So cute. Anyways, go back to that. So we have cottons maximum 95, 20, 30, 40, 60, 95. When sold, all spin 400, 1200, 14, that was 800. And that's your bubble soak, intensive, extras, pre-wash, same again, the same order, do that in a bit. Here's synthetics. Long way out. Come on then. Yes, no, sorted. Okay, synthetics. 20, 30, 40, 60. Not been sold. 400, 800. Maximum 12, maximum 60 on this cycle. Soak. Intensive pre-wash. Same again, and not an extra order. Quick wash 15, so you can have 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 20 minutes at 20, 30 at 30 minutes, 15 on its own, no temperature. So maximum on this cycle is 100, and option you can have with extra rinse. Baby care. Maximum 95, automatic electric pre-wash, but you can deselect that. 20, 30, 40, 60, 95. Same again, all spin speeds, same again, all options. You can have bubble soak, intensive, pre-wash, extra rinse, daily wash. 20, 30, 40, 60, 9, yeah, maximum 60. Rinse all, no spin. Same again, all spin speeds, all options. As I'm saying all options, I'm saying repeating myself. Right, okay, let's go down to staying away. Maximum 60, 20, 30, 40, 60 maximum. Rinse all, no spin, so yeah, maximum only is 1200 on that one. Same again, all options. Rinse and spin. No spin, only one rinse. Rinse, hold. Same again, 14, only option now is just rinse, spin. Into the next one, drain. No temp options. Hand wash. So you got maximum 40. This is the delicate cycles. It barely moves. I've used this cycle. You want to quest it, you can do. You can quest the outdoors. Normal cotton, you can't request for that. It was aesthetics with no spin. Baby care, no. Staying away, maybe. "29 minutes. So the duration of the cycle is 44 minutes. Wool, 51 minutes. Maximum is 40. And the maximum spin is 800. So I think you can have any options. Yeah, you can do damage rinse. I'll do the same for them wash. Yeah, it's rinse for both. Right, outdoor care. Which cycle I've just used recently. Not a bad cycle. It's okay, 20, 30, 40. That's it. Maximum 1200. You only does a very, very short 1200 at the end. 1200. You can have no options. Okay. Super Eco Wash. 30, 20. Maximum 1200. Same again, all options. Play end option now, so you can have 3 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, way up to 19 minutes. 19 hours. To set that, what you do is that and that. So what you do is and the other option is child lock, which locks out all the options, but you can still turn it off. Or deselect it. Could have children there.
You've gone out now?
No. Both exits are blocked.
Do you know you two sneaky come in?
I knew he'd come in, yeah.
Do you know you went straight upstairs?
No. I thought going back out through that door into the kitchen and drunk that door and up his bed.